Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're making my famous verde salsa, aka green salsa, aka best damn green salsa ever.
AKA my favorite thing you ever made.
You can literally put that shit on anything.
You can drink it. Will.
She can drink it. I
do all the time. You can add it to a Bloody Mary.
She loves salsa.
Oh my god, it's my favorite drink.
They do have verde Bloody Marys.
We'll do that next video with this sauce. Okay, how do we do it, Steph?
Okay, so I have 3 cloves of garlic.
Yeah.
And I went ahead and pre-sprayed my pan. Oh, and preheated the oven to 350. Okay. And then I have a peeled half of an onion.
Peeled.
Or
peeled.
Peeled.
I peeled it.
And then you want to put as many jalapeno peppers. You can do.
Serrano.
Well, I'm gonna say.
I was like, no.
You could do jalapeno peppers, is what I was gonna say, or serrano peppers, which I have today. Serrano, which is they're spicier, which I like. Yeah. But this is gonna be for her, so she only wants 1.
And I'm a wean machine.
I normally do 3.
Do 2. Do one. Find one on the small side.
You can always do extras just in case. You can blend it together, and then if you want it spicier, add a jalapeno.
But we don't.
Now I'm going to go to our tomatillos. A lot of people don't know about these, but they have a skin. You find them next to the tomatoes, and you just
at the grocery store.
At the grocery store, in the produce section, exactly. Mm-hmm. And you just peel them, tear it off, but it is also going to be sticky, tacky, so you need to rinse them off.
And a little green tomato.
Yeah.
Have you ever done fried green tomatillos?
No, I haven't. I've never done that.
Whoa. Has anybody?
I don't think so, because they're so small.
That just happened in my brain. That just happened. I don't care. Let's do it.
So something else, though, I forgot to mention, is I usually like to go with about 7 of these. So, hold on. So, you see how they're big? We got big ones and small ones.
Yeah.
They're never going to have the same size. So, a big one is 1, and then the small ones are 2. So, I have...
These are just
one little extra, but that's
too,
okay.
Because this looks a lot bigger than it is after you peel that away.
Yeah, you peel it away, and there's a lot of space too. So this one will have 3 small ones.
It's like your mini chicken eggs versus your jumbo chicken eggs.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna peel these, rinse them off, and then put them on the pan.
Yeah.
All right, so we have all of these rinsed off, and now we're just gonna put it in our preheated oven for about 20 minutes. I don't normally time these. I always look by my eye. I search.
She's an eye looker.
I'm an eye looker. So I'm going to attempt to time this. So I'm going to say 20 minutes at first, and then we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
That's the whole thing about cooking. You never know what's going to happen. All right.
You should, but we don't. Together forever.
Yes. All right. So it cooked for about, I want to say 35 minutes. You want to get a little bit of char on there like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in the blender. I did forget to get cilantro, so I'm going to go to the store later and add 1 bunch of cilantro. So when you want to do this, you add it in when you're blending everything. So just add everything you want in there. Do you want 1 or 2 jalapenos? 1. We'll start off with 1. We'll taste it, and if it's not spicy enough, we'll add more. Okay. Onion. Garlic. Okay. And then we're going to add some pepper. All right. We got some pepper in there. And then we got, air. And then make sure you add salt. Ooh, it came out fast. Okay, we're going to blend it here. All right. One more thing. Okay, so that is your main base. So at this point, you would just add your bunch of cilantro. And now to make it even better, you're going to add a whole avocado. And this is what makes it creamy and delicious. And these are perfect. Over here making noises. Okay. Just take your spoon and scoop it on out. All right, and then you get this thing, what do you call it? The core. You just tap your knife, spin it, and it comes right out. Be careful when you do that. Don't want to hurt yourself. Oh. Don't get any of the outer shell in there. This is like the perfect avocado. If you want to taste that. So good. Okay, so we're pretending cilantro's in there. This is an amazing blender. It's a Vitamix. Okay, so now we're going to taste it. Okay, so you just need to taste it and make sure to see if you need to add any salt or anything. It is spicy, so we're not going to add another one. All right, this is going to be ours, so I'm putting that back in there. All right? Don't do that if you're serving other people, okay? This one it's a little thick, even though it's moving around. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water. And that was literally like 2 tablespoons of water. And we're going to blend it again. Okay. I meant to add more salt. That was delicious. Oh, my hands are dirty. Let me wipe them off. And one more time, y'all. One more time. Okay. I'll put this in a bowl for you all. Okay. Oh, look how delicious that looks. That was the perfect amount for this bowl. I'm very proud of myself. This is going to be some of the best salsa that you've ever had. You can put it literally on anything. Taco salads, burritos, tacos, taquitos, flautas, anything. I make black beans and rice, and I put that on top with some Parmesan cheese. It's good stuff. And that's it. That's like the easiest thing in the world. You just put it in the oven, you blend it, and you're done. Okay, we're going to taste test this now. I'm so excited.
It's my favorite part.
And look, Winnie made it in the video.
Yeah, he wouldn't stop barking, so I had to hold him.
He wants it.
He does. Feed me.
Been wide.
Ooh, a little hot.
Oh.
A little hot. God. Don't do it.
Oh. Whatever. Oh, mine's perfect. This sauce, it changes everything. It's so good. Okay, well, Teresa is still burning in the mouth.
I had an incident. It was temperature hot. Sorry.
Yeah, it was temperature hot, unfortunately. Mine was perfect, so it worked out.
It's fitting.
Well, I hope y'all try this. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and then hit the little bell so you get notifications when we do videos. They always come out on Wednesdays and Fridays, so watch out for those. Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Watch out.
I'm excited. And then we need to shout out somebody, Teresa, right?
Yes. We'd like to do a special shout out to Taylor Gray.
Taylor.
Hey, Taylor. Thank you so much for your patronage.
Thank you. Really appreciate you watching. Watch it as many times as you want.
You sure can. Nobody ain't gonna be mad at you.
All right, guys. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.